Good day, family. Today we're cooking beef and spinach. As you can see, we have our beef here. We have our baby spinach. We have spring onion. We have onion, tomato. We have garlic. We have our stock, bay leaves, curry beef, and you can see the curry powder are there. We have everything we need to cook our beef and spinach. We clean our beef, we put in the pots, we start to spice. This is our herb and garlic. This is a chicken and herb. We have bay leaves. Stock. You can put stock of your choice. Here we cut our onion, our garlic, spring onion, and ginger. This one is a ginger. I will just use the juice. I'm squeezing to get the juice. You can see everything is on our cutting board. We start to put everything to mix. Green pepper, spring onion, yellow, this onion, and our garlic. We mix everything, we put in the pot. Black pepper. You can add your black pepper and you cover the pot. Don't put water. The juice will come out of the beef. And then we get our baby spinach. We clean it 3 times. You will clean it 3 times to see if there's any sand or what. You clean it. Put in the pot, you put water in the spinach, and then you take your bicarbonate of soda so that our baby spinach will remain green even if it's boiled. As you can see, there's water in that pot, not too much, you just put small, you let it boil. Better don't cover because it will come up. It's gonna foam. Or you can cover, you leave some space there, a bit open. This side we have our beef. You can see there's no water anymore. All the water, the juice that came from the beef is going down. See. In that stage, you take down water. You can add a quantity of water, 2 or 3 cups to the beef. You leave it to boil so that the meat will become tender. You cover the pot until all the water will go down. Now you can see this side is soft, it's boiled. You can see the color is green, very green. I will take it. You pour that water. You have to rinse the veg, the spinach, with clear water to remove all the bicarbonate of soda. When the beef is ready, you put oil in the frying pan. You start frying your meat. See, we put our meat, we fry it. As you can see, now you turn it. And when it's ready, you remove, you put back in the pot where you boil your beef. Then you start frying whatever we have, tomato, onion, garlic. You start frying the soup. As you can see, this is our tomato sauce. We're frying together. We mix ginger, and on top of the soup we add the powder, curry powder. You start mixing together with the tomato, onion, garlic, spring onion, everything. You fry it. While frying, always remember, while frying your sauce, you always put a bit of water. When it's ready, I took now the spinach. You remember we bought the spinach, I will mix it together. I will start frying together. I will fry it until ready. When it's ready, you can see the tomato is well fried. And then I will pour it. Take it, you pour it on top of the meat that you have fried. You can see. In this stage, if you like too much salt, you can add a bit of salt. If you don't want, remember we put stock and other spices always salty, so you must control. I didn't add water in that stage. I leave it a bit like that. With just the sauce, the tomato sauce I fried. Then I will add water, not too much. Yeah. It will boil again together for 5 to 7 minutes. As you can see, the food is ready. You can eat it with rice, with cassava bread, with a plantain. If you like bread, you can eat it with bread, as you can see. It's so nice, so healthy. Enjoy the food. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and leave a comment. God bless you.